We'll guide you through how to get your phone home screen back to normal. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Over time, you're going to find that apps going to get a bit random with where they're placed as you get more and you add them and move them around. Or perhaps somebody or a young person has been on your phone and just dragged around the apps and you want to go and get it back to normal. We're going to guide you through the different ways this can be done depending upon what you're looking to achieve. So make sure this is full guide so you're going to go and know how. Without any further ado, let's go and get right into this. So to get started, you want to go and swipe up. What you need to do is go and head to your settings. You can swipe across the pages here and find it. You can go and see my settings is there. Alternatively, you can always go and search for them at the top. Open up settings. Now in here, you want to go down. First of all, you want to come into home screen like so, and you want to go and find home screen layout. So the classic one is going to be home and app screens. This means that when you go and swipe up, you then have the app screens here. Some people may prefer to go and have the home screen only though, which means all the apps are then going to be on the home screen. So you can go and set that there and see if you go and prefer it, you'll get a preview how it's like. I like it on this one here though. So set that and press apply. Next, what you want to do is come back and you want to go and scroll down, find the option for apps this time and click in it. At the top, find the option for choose default apps. You want to go and look for the home app. Now, different Androids, as like different variations, can go and have different home apps. You can see mine is One UI Home, but yours will be different. So make sure you use the one which is currently selected and come back, and then come back again. And what you need to do is go and find the app in here. So mine was called One UI Home. We can scroll down. This is alphabetical, so we can go and scroll down to O. Here it is. You then want to go and tap on it, and you want to go and scroll down and find the option for storage. Now in here, you want to go to the bottom left and you can go and press clear data and you want to go and confirm your decision by pressing delete like so, go and wait. Now this can take a couple seconds to go and complete, but if you go and quit this, you'll see it looks blank, but it's just going and resetting everything. As you can see, it should reload and it'll be back to how it was like this. You can go and swipe up and you'll go and find this is all set back as well. Just be patient when it loads all your apps. Don't worry, they are still there. That's it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again in the future with more useful guides. Have a great day.